as the eggs incubate in the sand. Up above, the rains finally arrive. Just like his mother, this newborn turtle is talking, and he's not alone. Thousands of nests across the beach take part in the conversation. Together, they decide on the perfect time to emerge. The moist sand is easy to dig, but he emerges into a dangerous world. Some will never make it to the river, but the mother's incredible teamwork has ensured that these little turtles have safety in numbers. Hiding in the crowd, keeping in communication, those at the front encouraging others onwards. And just like his mother before him, with the guidance of the group, he's made it. Now, he must swim to safety. And incredibly, he has someone to help show the way. Mum is still here. In fact, all the turtle mothers have been waiting. When they hear their young, they call to them, guiding them to deeper water. This recent discovery is the first example of turtle parents helping their offspring after they've hatched.